tired of endless scrolling, contradictory reviews, and gadgets that look great but flop in real life? You know, trying to pick a blender, slicer, or smart pot on Amazon feels like a maze. So, this video cuts through the noise, shows the top picks, and helps you choose the perfect kitchen gadget right now. Product number 1. Zulay Kitchen Milk Frother Handheld Electric Whisk. Wow, you're about to meet the Zulay Kitchen Milk Frother Handheld Electric Whisk. Yes, the same sleek black one that's turning ordinary coffee, protein shakes, and matcha into silky, cafe-style froth in seconds. Honestly, this isn't just a whisk, it's a full-featured drink mixer that's built to last, with a durable stainless steel blade that spins faster than a tornado, so you can blend, froth, and even whip up a quick smoothie without the mess. Trust me, the ergonomic handle feels like a natural extension of your hand, and the compact design fits right into any kitchen drawer or travel bag. Look, whether you're a barista at home, a protein powder enthusiast, or a matcha lover, this one does it all. Coffee frother, hand blender, frother for protein powder, matcha, and more. So you get a consistent, airy texture every time. Just imagine whipping up a latte, a protein shake, or a matcha latte, all in one go. And the best part? It's cordless, so you can use it anywhere, from the kitchen counter to your office desk. Check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 2. Fullstar Pro Original Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer. Now, if you watched my last video, you know how much I am obsessed with upgrading my morning coffee routine using the Zulay handheld milk frother. But honestly, dinner prep is a whole different story, which brings us to today's hero, the Fullstar Pro Original Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer. Look, if you hate spending 30 minutes just dicing onions without crying, this kitchen prep tool is about to completely change your life. Wow, the blades on this thing are seriously sharp, meaning you can chop, dice, and spiralize your zucchini, potatoes, and tomatoes in literally seconds flat without any messy cleanup. Trust me, it comes with multiple interchangeable blades that snap in and out effortlessly, making it the ultimate all-in-one gadget for anyone trying to eat healthier with zero hassle. I have been using mine every single day for meal prep, and I genuinely cannot imagine going back to a regular knife and cutting board. So, if you want to speed up your cooking game just like I did, make sure to check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 3. KitchenAid All-Purpose Kitchen Shears with Protective. Alright, after I've diced, spiralized, and basically turned veggies into art with the Fullstar Pro Original Vegetable Chopper and Spiralizer, it's time to talk about another kitchen hero that's been hiding in my drawer. The KitchenAid All-Purpose Kitchen Shears with Protective Sheath. Honestly, these aren't just ordinary scissors. They're built from durable stainless steel, so you get that razor-sharp edge that slices through poultry, herbs, and even tough packaging without a hitch. The 8.72-inch length gives you plenty of leverage, and the soft grip comfort handle feels like it was molded just for your hand. No more sore wrists after a big roast. And guess what? They're dishwasher safe, which means cleanup is literally a snap, and the sleek black finish adds a touch of style to any countertop. Plus, the protective sheath slides on and off easily, keeping the blades safe when you're not using them. Trust me, once you try these shears you'll wonder how you ever cooked without them. Look, if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen arsenal, check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 4. iBayam Kitchen Scissors Shears All-Purpose Heavy. After I unpack the KitchenAid All-Purpose Kitchen Shears with Protective Sheath, look, it's time to meet the iBayam Kitchen Scissors Shears All-Purpose Heavy Duty Protective Sheath, and trust me, this tool is a game changer for any kitchen. Honestly, it feels like the next level of precision and power, with a sturdy heavy-duty blade that slices through herbs, meat, and even tough packaging with ease. No more struggling or uneven cuts. The protective sheath is a real win, keeping the blade safe when you're not using it and giving you a sleek, professional look on your counter. Wow, the ergonomic handle feels comfortable even during long prep sessions, and the balanced weight means you can cut with confidence. This pair is built to last, with a corrosion-resistant finish that stays bright and sharp over time. I love how it's versatile, from cutting pizza to trimming veggies, and it's a great addition to any chef's toolkit, and it's surprisingly lightweight, making it a breeze to handle. Check the link in the description for the best active discounts today. Product number 5. Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set. Now, if you just upgraded your kitchen snipping game with those iBayam shears, you are definitely going to want this next item on your counter, because honestly, measuring ingredients is about to become your absolute favorite part of cooking. Look, I have all dealt with those clumsy metal rings holding a million measuring spoons together, right? Well, say hello to the Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set of 8 for the kitchen. Wow, the multicolor design is so vibrant and fun, but the real magic here is the magnetic feature. They snap together neatly in your drawer, so no more digging around for that elusive half teaspoon. Trust me, the dual-sided design is a total game changer too, with a narrow end that easily slips into spice jars, and a flat base that lets you set them down on the counter without tipping over and spilling your precious vanilla extract. They are heavy-duty, incredibly easy to clean, and just make baking so much smoother. Go ahead and check the link in the description right now for the best active discounts today. I hope this helped you narrow down your search. If you liked the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Links to everything mentioned are below.